Ruben is going to take, I am going to just request us to go through the, the problem statement or the calculator that we had discussed last class. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Who would want to share their screen and show me what you have done? So last class
I didn't make it.
yes, beta. So now, see if you open up a
new tab.
Yeah, you can open up a new tab and you can say open. Okay, and over here when you say open, it will show you all these places which you should have accessed, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have created your folder somewhere, haven't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Where have you created? So here you should be able to see it, and then you should be able to open it.
Yes, ma'am. I did all that, but it's still like the file wasn't letting me open it.
Okay, so if you can't see it there, can you go here in upload? And if you go to upload, I went to desktop, I went to Python codes, and here I can go and check out the Python code.
I've already tried that too, but it
Okay,
wasn't
and then you
letting
did
me.
upload, then it didn't happen.
It didn't happen.
See, here it'll open up like this. Okay, then you'll have to just show me, like this is last time's file, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is last time's file. So I just had to go to upload and find it. If I didn't find the list of folders over here. Can you try it once? Perhaps you can share your screen and we can see it.
1 second.
No, open your Python workbook. Where's your workbook open? Where's your Jupyter workbook open? You go to the, the, Vaishnavi. So show me. So E is the English marks, is it?
Yep.
Okay, E is English, maths, Hindi, and science. Total marks is, so the first part is you have declared your variables, right? So that's
Yes.
really nice. That's absolutely correct. The second part is you have written the calculations that you want the system to do. Okay,
Yeah.
so you have actually given the formula which the system is expected to follow. So here you can see you have done the right thing. You have added up English, maths, Hindi, and science. And then you did the average marks, which is total divided by 400. Then the language marks, which are English and Hindi, and the non-language marks, which are maths and science. And then you gave the print. So then the system has done the calculation, but how do we see the calculation? Only if we tell the system to show us. Otherwise, it will do the calculation and retain it in the back end. So rightly so, you have then said print total and print the average marks, print language marks, and print the non-language marks. Very good. You've done a good job, Vaishnavi. You've done it right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Very nice. Now I will share my screen and I will show you that how I have done the same thing, just a bit differently. So this was this was what was written. Okay. And then we did the declaration of the variables just like Vaishnavi did. But can you see here that I have actually written the comments so that later on I know what each of these things are. Now, these are all good practices to write the comments over there. So point one, first part of my code, I have declared the variable. So I've written it over there clearly so that even if you read it, you don't have to wonder what have I done. Okay. Point two, I have done the calculations, which is just the way Vaishnavi has done. I have added two more calculations here saying language percentage and non-language percentage. Okay. and then I have displayed the output. So can you notice that I have actually done a very clean code in which I have written out what each part of the code is doing. Hence, next time when you're writing, maybe you can write these comments out so that even if you show it to your parents or anybody who has never seen this code, they would also feel and understand what you have done. Is that good? Does that
Yeah.
make sense? Yeah.
Yeah, that